YouTube, in this video, my truck won't start. My truck just won't start. After 10 hours break, got up in the morning, clicked, nothing. No start. Let's figure what's going on. So YouTube, after a few clicks, the truck did start. However, I drove all the way to a dealership to figure out what's going on. It was a starter or it's an alternator problem. Surely it wasn't a battery, because I had just had 4 batteries, new batteries, put in place right there. Just bought 4 new batteries, so it wasn't the batteries. When I got there, shut the truck off, and I was about to leave. They're like, "We can't help you, can't look at it for the day." And unfortunately, the truck wouldn't start. So the guy from the dealership came by and said, "Let me try help you, jump and all that." So he recognized my batteries are good, so that wasn't the issue. He said, "Crawl up under the truck and check the wires." I did. I went under there, wiggled the wires a little bit, and the truck eventually started. However, I left there and I went to a TA, parked there, was thinking of going to check in. Then I thought, man, if I wiggle the wires and the truck started, that means there's something wrong with the wires. So I crawled under the truck and I started to play with all the wires, from the batteries to the starter. And I played with them until I got to one particular wire, which I'm going to show you on the video. That wire was brittle. The moment I touched it, it fell apart, and that was the culprit. So in order to fix that, I had to rewire it, and I just went to TA and got the necessary equipment, put it together, and I'm good to go. So after checking under the truck, I came on top and I looked and I saw this piece of wire, that wire right there. It goes from the connection goes from there all the way to the solenoid. If you notice, it's brittle right there and it's broken right there, and it's broken right there where that blue cap is. So I went to TA and bought all this, roller wire, and of course the connectors for it. Yeah, so you need to check all your wires before you definitely check in and waste all the money. So after it was fixed, it looks like that. You know, I rewired it and I was good to go. So that's how I got it rolling. So all those wires right there look corroded and all, but you know, I cleaned them up and I was good to go. A little advice in case we have problems starting in the morning. First thing we should do, if we got good batteries, alternators all good, because when I checked the dashboard on my dash, I had 14.1 volts. That means the alternator is working, and my batteries are good, and the only thing that would have been a problem would be the starter. So before we go checking in and spending this exorbitant amount of money just to maybe find just a simple problem, let's just crawl under the truck and check the wiring first. You know, if it's something, you know, that's beyond our control, like a starter or something, well, you know, we know sometimes we got to get a technician to do it, but those are simple stuff. I wired it up and the truck is good to go since. All right, so just sharing that bit of information. All right, so remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. As I get the issues, as I get the problems, I post them, so that helps someone who is an owner operator. Bless.